Hello everyone and welcome back to How Technic. Today we are diving into a detailed review of the Bajaj Majesty DX6 1000W dry iron. This iron promises to make your ironing chores easier and more efficient. Let's see what makes it stand out. First off, let's talk about its key features. The Bajaj Majesty DX6 comes with a Bajaj Duraglide sole plate which has a non-stick German coating technology. This optimally designed, double-layer non-stick coating ensures smooth gliding over any fabric. Plus, it's got an antibacterial coating to keep your clothes hygienic. Next up, the 360-degree swivel cord. This feature is incredibly useful for maneuverability, preventing tangles and allowing you to iron from any angle with ease. The plastic body with a cool touch handle ensures that you don't burn your hands while using it. Comfort and safety, all in one package. Another great feature is the adjustable temperature settings. Whether you're ironing delicate silk or heavy denim, you can adjust the temperature accordingly. It even has a special denim mode for those tougher fabrics. And here's the best part, the price. The MRP of this iron is 1400 rupees, but you can get it for just 599 rupees with free home delivery. A great deal for such a versatile and efficient iron. The iron is white in color, weighs around 800 grams. And is proudly made in India. Lightweight, portable, and stylish, perfect for any household. Now, let's take a look at some customer reviews from Amazon. Most users love its ease of use, portability, and appearance. They find it simple, reliable, and efficient. However, some opinions are mixed on its performance and heating. Overall, it's worth buying if you get it in the 600 rupees, 700 rupees range. Looks cool, feels good, and it's lightweight. That's it for today's review of the Bajaj Majesty DX6 1000W dry iron. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to How Technic for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.